Magkakaroon na ng Philippine Music Festival sa bansa. Ito ay ang Fusion na pinangungunahan ng mga pinakamalalaking mga pangalan sa Pinoy music industry. Fusion, anong ganap?
This is Fusion po. Ito ang kauna-unahang Philippine Music Festival na mangyayari sa January 30, 2015 at sobrang excited po ako and I'm very, very lucky to be a part of this press con that has happened today.
We play as one.
Nagkaroon ng press con sa Music Hall ang Fusion, the first Philippine Music Festival na pagsasama-samahin ang pinakamalalaking artist sa bansa from all music genres. Si MTV VJ and young star Yasi Pressman ang nagsilbing host ng press con na dinaluhan ng ilang singers and musicians.
Welcome to the press con of the 2015 Philippine Music Festival called Fusion.
Yung Fusion, first ever na music festival dito sa Pinas. Tapos pinagsama-sama nila, hindi lang mga banda. Marami tayong kasama, si Sir Andrew E., sila Sarah Geronimo, iba't ibang artist, iba-ibang genre.
I'm excited for the event. It's always a blessing na makapag-perform ka and ma-share mo yung music mo sa mga kababayan natin.
Since I've been away, parang this is the first time also for me na I'll be part of this kind of event with all other bands and artists of the Philippines.
Yeah, I'm very, very excited to be collaborating with all these great artists that are also my friends and sobrang fan ako ng mga music din nila.
Nagsample pa ng live performance ang ilan sa kanila. Nagbigay naman ng isang makabuluhang mensahe para sa lahat ng mga dumalo ang OPM icon na si Joey Ayala.
So let's thank technology for getting people jaded. Sawa na sila sa download, sawa na sila sa electronic file, buhay na naman ang buhay. And I think that it's really very important for us to support people who are willing to take risks on live performances.
Sana magkita-kita tayo sa January 30, 2015 Fusion, the very first Philippine Music Festival.
Thank you. Salamat.
Be part of Fusion, the very first Philippine Music Festival on January 30, 2015 at the SM Mall of Asia Concert Grounds. See you there!